Mga bro, isa pong big upset ang nangyari sa isa sa ating Pinoy featherweight prospect na si Jack Tepora. Hindi po magandang news ito at ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung laban. Siya po ay natalo sa unang round sa pamamagitan ng liver shot sa katawan. Huwag po natin maliitin bagamat po ang kanyang nakalaban na si Iskandon ay 25-5-18, 26 win, may 5 talo at 18 ng KO. Ito po ay body puncher. Si Iskandon po ay may taas lamang na 5'1", at talaga naman pong kagulat-gulat po ang nangyaring ito, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas kung hindi po sa buong mundo. So ano pa po ang hinihintay natin? Panoodin po natin ang laban. Enjoy this watch. Judge for yourself. At manalangin po tayo and let's hope na maging silbing aral ito kay Jack Tepora. Mga bro, si Iskandon po ay dating interim title holder ng 122 and 126 pounds. Siya po ay 15 months nang hindi lumalaban because he's getting old. Ito po ay kinuha niyang tsansa, baka sakaling may mangyari pa sa kanyang career. At kung titignan niyo mga bro ang record ni Iskandon, siya po ay nagpapatalo ng halos 5 laban na at 3 dito ay knockout. Pero kung pag-aaralan niyo po sa boxing record ng kanyang record, siya po ay naging tungtungan ng mga prospect din, no? Kaya matitibay din ang mga tumalo dito kay Iskandon. Without further ado, ito na po, mag-umpisa na yung laban. Let's watch the fight. And I hope mag-enjoy po tayo dito kahit tayo talo.
These right here are a little high, Mr. Guerrero. I'm going to let him work from this point up. Okay? All right? These are right on the belt line. Buena suerte. Good luck to both of you.
I'll tell you, a few things stand out here. One, Lennox Lewis. Iskandon is 5'1.5". It's the shortest man I've ever seen in a professional ring.
Oh, he's definitely grounded. He's close to the ground.
Good word. I mean, no, look at the way he's... That's a stacked featherweight. Again, he's muscular, but he's 5'1".
Oh, yeah. He throws some great body punches. I've actually seen him fight before.
Nag-uusapan nila 5'1 lang daw, 5'1 and a half lang. Ito na po, let's be excited in this fight. Huwag po kayong kukurap. Hindi po magtatagal itong laban na to. See the exchange.
But it's going to get messed up in there. I would never allow that.
Makikita nyo po, kahit maliit po si Iskandon, makikita nyo po yung lapad ng kanyang katawan compare kay Tepora, no?
So he's fighting in a division above that now. And you can tell he's a little soft around the middle. If you look at Tepora, he's a lot
Ngayon po
more
ko sumuntok. Solid po sumuntok sa katawan kasi maliit nga po siya. Pero bagamat maliit siya, marunong siyang kumat. Nakakaabot siya at may impact po ang suntok. Nakakatama.
Titleist and world championship challenger.
Ayun, matama sa katawan. Matama din sa mukha. Ano po, hindi maigi. Boom, boom, boom. Ayun, tumama sa lower rib cage. May pagka-delayed ang impact at reaction.
Jack, look at me. 6, 7. Not look good for Tepora. 9, 10. That is it. That's it. Another first round knockout.
Hindi pilit pang kausapin ng referee but it is done. Tuwang-tuwa po si Iskandon. 15 months na walang laban. And he accepted this fight para magkaroon pa ng continuous color ang kanyang career and he made it. Hindi po natin alam kung saan padadalhin ng karir niya sa Iskandon. Hindi po nakakahiya ito. Bagamat round 1, alam naman po natin ang body shot, mga kapatid. Kahit gaano kagaling pag tinamaan ka ng liver shot, o sa
We're gonna do a little replay
lower
here,
ribs
Brian.
mo,
And
sigurado talagang
here's the
hindi ka
head
makakatayo.
coming right in by Escandón. Now he's gonna
And
just
this
back
guy
up, and he
is a
reaches
good
right into
body
that elbow.
puncher.
It's a delayed reaction. You hit that rib
Escandón.
cage where the liver sits right behind that bottom rib. And man, it doesn't take
It is
much
a
to
big
put somebody
upset,
down and out. It's hard
but
to
at
get
the
him.
same
It
time,
paralyzes you.
maging tools to
De La Hoya.
That's right.
Yeah, it doesn't,
para
it
sa
doesn't
future
matter.
ni
Doesn't
Tepora
matter if you're in great shape or what
na
kind of
ayusin
shape
niya
you're in.
pa
You
ang
get hit
kanyang
in that
sarili.
perfect shot, you go down.
Let me ask you, Joe Goosen, why don't you just train guys to go for that?
Let's
Just
hope
wait
for the
that.
better best.
Well, because it was an unexpected punch. You can brace yourself for a liver shot and take it better, but
Marami po ang nagda-doubt ngayon sa kakayahan ni Tepora na maging world champion. Pinangako pa naman sa kanya na ang susunod niyang laban, kung sakaling manalo siya, ay title fight na. Kasama ang palad. Natalo po. Ito po ang ikalawang talo ng MP Promotion ngayong 2019 laban sa US. Ang una nga po rito ay si Tapales. So, mga bro, let's hope po na maging maganda pa ang future ng batang to. Bata pa naman po to. Sana matuto siya rito at maging aral sa kanya na in order to become a champion, dapat maging seryoso siya. Dahil kasi recently lang, alam naman po natin, nung dapat nalalaban siya ng title fight, na-strip pa siya dahil na overweight. Marami pong dapat matutunan si Tepora pagdating sa discipline. Si Manny Pacquiao din po ay may kahinaan sa bodega ng kanyang kabataan, pero ito po yung napanagumpayan niya. Pinractice niya ang kanyang bodega. At kita niyo naman po kung gaano kalakas ang bodega ni Manny Pacquiao ngayon. May chance pa si Tepora. We hope that this served him a very good lesson to become a real world champion. God bless everyone. Shalom.